We have 30 days to transform this unfinished bus conversion into a new home on wheels. Can we do it? This is the bus life.
Ashton and I are working on the master bedroom. We're building the platform for the bed. It's a little intricate because you have the engine that needs to be accessible here, the engine cover. We also have a freshwater tank that is built in under the bed.
Why most of this floor is clean is because of me.
Yeah, so there's a lot going on back here. And we'll get Corey started on putting in some framing in here for the bunk beds.
All right, guys, we got our cold water fitting for our toilet and our sink. And that's for our toilet.
I need another 2. Sip.
Huh?
19 and a half.
Oh, sip.
Ashton, drill the Phillips. Right there, it's right there. It's right there.
So we are working on the bunk beds.
27 and a quarter.
This is going to be the dining and kitchen area. We're going to have a bench over here, table in the middle. This is moving into the kitchen area. Over here we're going to have the stove, fridge. On this side we've got our sink, cabinets on each side, washer dryer combo over here. We got the water heater installed right here. Shower, bathroom area. Toilet and sink over here. Coming back into the bunk room. Almost finished yesterday. We've got 3 bunks over here and we're gonna have 3 bunks over here. Nice solid bunk beds. I think you could drive a truck on these things. We did all birch plywood paneling in here, which actually worked well with the contour of the roof. It hugged it quite nicely. And then coming back into the master bedroom where we're currently working on their bed, water tank. We've got that installed. And we're basically working on just getting all of the paneling over there. This will have a lift up area where you can lift up and access storage under here.
This box is so heavy.
It's full of insulation.
No, but the problem is I carried this fine yesterday, but today I'm like in there trying to grab it out of the trailer. I'm like, why do I feel so weak?
So you've lost strength overnight is what you're saying.
I don't know.
Whoa, whoa.
There's a lot of insulating we
So
have to do today.
the insulation they're using in this, so you can rub it on your face because this is actually wool insulation. Literally smells like a farm. This is from a company called Havelock Wool. Smells like sheep. See, smell. This is Brian. He's the owner, the proud owner of this bus. They got it to this point. I think you guys did actually a really good job.
Thank you.
They did the roof raise, everything, 18-inch roof raise on this thing.
So this is a 1998 International Amtran with a 7.3 T444E diesel in it. We picked it up from the Mesa, Arizona School District on auction for an amazing deal, $1,700 after auction fees. We've had the bus for 4 years. Finally got connected with the bus life, be able to get this done. The main motivation for us is we have a lot of student debt and we just want to get out of debt, and it was like a cool way to live rent free. And I went on YouTube looking at everybody. Oh, you know, maybe about $30,000 all in. Maybe we've over-designed our bus and we went fancier, and so we've gone beyond that. You can watch all the YouTube videos you want on how it's going to be, but it is going to be a much more intensive time project. These guys make it look so easy because they got a lot of hands and they really knock it out. And they have a lot of experience, so it's amazing to watch them work. But I had done it by myself, part-time. I work a full-time job, got the family as well.
So if somebody's going to do a project like this, actually a scripture comes to mind. You count the cost of building a tower before you execute it, right?
Correct.
You want to really count the cost and then maybe overestimate.
It's always going to cost more. When plywood used to cost $25 a sheet for 3/4 inch plywood, and we were paying $75 a sheet. That's a huge price difference. So you got to plan for those things. Plan for the unexpected, plan for it to take way longer.